Namaste and Talofalava. My name is Grace, 12 years old from Samoa, Pacific Island, and here is my mom Nadia. First of all, I just want to thank God for everything He has done for us and for His blessings upon us and for everything. And second of all, I want to thank you to Samoa government for everything and for paying for all of this, for the reason that we came here. And third of all, I just want to thank you to Radley Mohan, the Vice President, for the good service here and very good doctors. And I want to thank you to my surgeon, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Khulbey, for the successful surgery. Thank you for everything you have done for us, for the brilliant surgeon you are. Thank you for everything. Thank you for encouraging me to be smart and to be strong. To be strong and not to be scared and be afraid. And I just want to give a special thanks to Ben and his team for always doing the call for us and for his help. Thank you, Ben. And thank you to all the doctors and nurses. Good service. Thank you to all of you. My experience, it was a really hard and tough journey for me. And I heard my mom praying all nights, praying to God for me to get better and better. And here we are. Thank you, God, for this moment. It is the best experience we had. My surgery was the open heart surgery. Replace one valve. Yeah. This is one of the best experience we've had. And thank you to your Apollo Hospital.